Pa cefndir neu crefydd hefyd wyt ti o hefyd?
So, fy nghefndir i yw, fi'n dod o'r Aifft, so Aifft Ffraig, ife dyna be yw yn
O,
Cymraeg?
sa'n siŵr. Beth
Um,
yw e'n Saesneg?
Egyptian,
O, oce, diddorol.
yeah. So mae teulu fi'n dod o'r Aifft ac ychydig genedlaethau yn ôl o Somalia hefyd. A mae fy nheulu i gyd a fi yn Fyslemiaid.
Felly, yn dy ardal ti, sut fath o effaith mae hyn yn neud i ti teimlo fel plentyn ifanc yn tyfu lan?
So yn fy ardal i, gan bod shwt gymaint o bobl o gefndiroedd gwahanol a chrefyddau gwahanol, oedd e'n rili neis achos fi'n credu pan chi'n plentyn, chi isie teimlo'r un fath â pawb arall, chi ddim rili isie bod yn gwahanol i neb. Pan oedd fi'n mynd i'r parc oedd pawb yn edrych fel fi. So oedd e jyst yn profiad rili da. Fi'n credu oedd e'n bwysig i gael hwnna fel plentyn.
Did you feel anxious towards sending the girls to a school where there wasn't enough diversity?
Yeah, actually, we were a little bit anxious. I was, because even at that time, Push Koch was marginally more diverse than Penkai, which we sent them to. So in my mind, when I approached Push Koch first, I had wanted the girls to go to a school where they might have children like themselves, even though there might be just a few, but there would have been some like themselves. Unfortunately, that didn't work out. So we took them to Penkai, which was very welcoming, but there was no diversity there. There were hardly any children of color.